Welcome to our fun food and nutrition quiz. Do you know which foods are healthy and good for your body? Let's test your knowledge and learn together. Question 1. Which food is a good source of protein to help build strong muscles? The answer is chicken. Chicken is rich in protein, which helps build and repair muscles. Protein is important for growth and strength. That's why many athletes eat chicken regularly.
Question 2. Which fruit is known for being high in vitamin C?
The answer is oranges. Oranges are high in vitamin C. Vitamin C helps boost the immune system. It also helps keep your skin healthy. Question 3. Which drink is the healthiest choice? The answer is water. Water is the healthiest drink for your body. It keeps you hydrated and helps all body functions. You should drink water every day. Question 4. Which food is rich in calcium for strong bones? The answer is milk. Milk is rich in calcium. Calcium helps build strong bones and teeth. Drinking milk regularly is good for your health. Question 5. Which vegetable is good for your eyesight? The answer is carrots. Carrots contain vitamin A. Vitamin A helps keep your eyes healthy. Eating carrots can support good vision. Question 6. Which food is high in fiber and good for digestion? The answer is bread, whole grain. Whole grain bread is high in fiber. Fiber helps your digestive system work well. It also keeps you feeling full longer. Question 7. Which food has a lot of sugar and should be eaten less? The answer is candy. Candy contains a lot of sugar. Too much sugar can harm your teeth and health. It's best to eat it only sometimes. Question 8. Which food is a healthy source of fat? The answer is avocados. Avocados contain healthy fats. Healthy fats are good for your heart. They also give your body energy. Question 9. Which food group does rice belong to? The answer is carbohydrate. Rice is a carbohydrate. Carbohydrates give your body energy. They are an important part of daily meals. Question 10. Which habit is best for good nutrition? The answer is eating vegetables daily. Eating vegetables daily is very healthy. They provide vitamins and minerals. A balanced diet helps your body stay strong. Great job! How many answers did you get right? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you in the next adventure.